It's challenging, but that's the reason why we want to do it, because if you can help it, then we can actually help the humankind. I'm Datt Lam from the National University of Malaysia. We're actually looking at something called BP. It's a bacterium that actually causes a disease called Melioidosis, and especially quite dangerous in Southeast Asia and also in the Pacific. Once you caught it, there's a high chance of mortality. So for these research, basically, we have a lot of proteins and we don't really know how the protein structures actually works. So when we actually heard about AlphaFold, we think that why don't we try on this method? And then basically we just input the amino acid sequence and you get the 3D structures of the proteins. But it takes a lot of time for us to use X-ray crystallography or cryo-EM to get all of those things. But now we move on to some more experimental stuff or more complicated stuff. It's speeded up the process. Now just click, look at the result and stuff like that. Now they're actually developing AlphaFold 3, that's basically you can model the proteins. If we can start working on this disease like that, maybe it can give us some kind of clues. Then we can start to look at other bacteria as well, and you can help a lot of people's life. When I actually heard this for the first time, I was like, wow! And what's cool about it, they actually provide the source code for a lot of scientists, and then other teams from around the world, they're starting to use the source code, and then they add their own idea into it. So it actually nurture the whole scientific community. AlphaFold or AI model actually helps in biology. It gives us some kind of like an energy boost to the field.